Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate Danish. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and line a baking sheet while you prepare pastry and filling. Use chilled puff pastry, high-quality chocolate, and cold butter to keep layers distinct. Roll gently, fold twice, and cut precise 3-5-inch squares. Chill before baking to maintain shape. Brush with egg wash for golden color and sprinkle with sugar for crunch now. I'll walk you through dough handling, laminating, and filling choices in a friendly, step-by-step way that's easy for bakers of any level. Keep butter cold and work quickly to preserve layers, using about 3-5 inches for each square. Use bittersweet chocolate for balance or hazelnut spread for speed. Rest pastry in the fridge between folds and always score edges to trap steam. Finish with a light sugar glaze. Bake the Danishes at 400 degrees F for about 15 to 20 minutes until puffed and golden, watching closely in the final minutes. Let them cool slightly on a rack to set the layers before glazing. For a simple glaze, whisk powdered sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons milk and a splash of vanilla. Pipe or drizzle chocolate for decoration and sprinkle toasted nuts if desired for texture and flavor. Serve warm for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.